trade, I need a trade, I need a run, run, trade, I need a run, trade. Oh, trade, I need a trade, I need a run, trade, I need a run, trade. Oh, are you there? I woke up yesterday and everybody was threading needle. And I started wondering, what do they want to sew? Is it husband material or wife material? Anyway, I decided to take a stroll to my favorite place of information, LinkedIn, and I saw what the whole commotion was all about. It was Mark, Meta's daddy. Oh, you don't know Meta? It's Facebook family name. You know that Facebook has a younger sister called Instagram. Instagram now have a not so little sister, Threads app. Yes, not so little, because could you believe in just 24 hours, 70 million people already signed up on this Threads app. Isn't that explosive? Oh, so you mean you are not even part of that number? That means not only you are Kakomo. Better run now and join the moving train. Go to places